What's up, folks? Today I'm bringing you the M1911. This is also available from Maximum Armory. All right, so let's just start off by presentation. The box that it comes in is really nice. It's solid. It's your typical waterproof style box with padding and everything in it, which is really great. The actual model itself is really beautiful. It's nice and heavy. The clear coated silver body is really pretty, and then you've got your chrome accessories. Lovely, love this. You've got your rounds in it here, and the rounds are really cool. Let's get this out of our way. The rounds are cool. They actually they look like little rounds, so check those bad boys out. Look at that. Pew! Yeah, if only they actually fired. Okay, so we got a really nice, beautiful chrome mag. Let's load it up. So we've got 5 rounds, and aside from my big hands, they load up very easily. Very nice. Looks good. Awesome. So we've got lots of detail on this with all of the patent text. Maximum Armory, I don't know how to pronounce that, Maximum, maybe. Good solid grips, hex screws holding it in. Functional pieces and parts, grip safety works, that's great. This safety or slide safety also functions, which is really nice. Yeah, that's solid. Yeah, it's really solid. Let's take it down. So in this case, we can actually remove the lug, and this takes the pressure off for us. Now, you don't have that much spring pressure in this one like a real one, but we're gonna do it the same way. Go ahead and pull our retainer out and pull our slide off. So body, you can see all the details inside of this thing. It's cool. One thing I was going to point out, you can actually see the functionality here because this keeps the hammer from going forward if it's up. That's your thumb safety right there. And then you have to hit the palm safety and it lets the hammer go. Pretty impressive that all that works. It also just means it's going to be a lot harder to take it apart, but it's all good. So our slide, everything coming out here. Let's get that out. And pull our barrel out. You see the barrel is really nice, chrome. Got our little hook right here. Nice and polished ramp. Cool. So all of our parts, really nice, really detailed, even on the inside sections of the parts, really, really nice. So let's go ahead and put her back together. Put our barrel back in. And we just need this in place for now. Gonna hold it in place. Cool. Now we gotta get is the little piece for the barrel hanging down there. Gonna get this to go in. Did I do it right? Yeah. Okay, let's put the lug back, lock it in. Look at that, bam, put it back together. It's really nice, man. This is one that I think just sitting on the shelf as it is beautiful. I have a black one as well. I'm gonna paint that one, and I'll probably make video of doing that. Disassembly wise, it's going to be much more complex if you watch my other videos. So this is going to be much closer to doing a real one, except our parts are really freaking tiny. So come back, you can check out that video. But otherwise, there you go. Let's do the mag and see how it ejects. So on these guys, you want to make sure that when you load your round, you can see your round in there. when you pull it back, you have to remember that if it was a real firearm, that thing's going to slam back to eject the round. So if you just roll it back, you're probably going to double feed. So we want to make sure that we give it a real action. Yep, see that double feed right there. So make sure you hit it real and it's going to function the way it's supposed to. But there you go. That is M1911 from Maximum Armory. I'll have a link below. I hope that you will like and subscribe and follow, as I am going to be trying to get more and more content out to you guys. Deuces.